everyone. I am excited today because we are being joined by Renee Koerner of Big Fish Farms, and she is here to teach us all about caviar. Let's dive in.
The first caviar is salmon, and a lot of people will actually make salmon caviar at home. It's really not that difficult. So if you're a big fisherman and you want it, and you catch a fish and it's got eggs in it, you can cure it at home.
Really?
And then have something kind of fun there. So it's a little different how they make it. The curing process is in a saltwater solution, whereas these other two are dry salt, basically.
Okay.
So it goes into the salt water, spends a little bit of time, and then it becomes caviar. And as you can see, the eggs are much bigger than the other two. So they have a little bit more texture and a little bit more pop.
I love that pop. Oh, yum. Yeah.
Eat it. Okay. So next is paddlefish caviar. That's my fish. Paddlefish are a freshwater cousin to sturgeon, and they're only found in North America. So it's really fun for me to be able to be working with this native fish. It's very ocetra-like.
Wow.
And then the last caviar is flying fish roe. So that's a Japanese delicacy. And a lot of times if you're in Japan, they'll just say Japanese caviar. You often find it on sushi rolls.
Okay.
And it's little and it's really crunchy. It's delicious.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to taste each of these to kind of get the difference, okay?
That's
Honestly,
delicious.
What could be bad?
And the smoke,
salmon, it's like
got a little of that smoke flavor too. It's really good.
Next up, yours, paddlefish, right?
So we were talking about color a little bit. Color is not flavor, but sometimes people think dark caviars are better. So like bowfin, which is not as expensive, is a dark colored caviar, as even ocetra or savruga. So we do, it's kind of more of an artisanal process. We're only making caviar from one fish at a time. So there can be a little bit of variation between tins if you buy them. So the color range is anywhere from like olive green to steely gray.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it just...
This is kind of like a dark
gray. That's what I would say.
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah. All right, hey,
okay,
here.
cheers.
Cheers. So this one's salty, a little saltier than the salmon, but smooth. I mean, just really nice and kind of creamy.
Yeah. I think it does have kind of like a buttery kind of flavor profile to it. So.
Okay. Last up. Oh yeah. You can crunch and that. That is amazing.
It's delicious.
Too.
Yeah.
This has been delightful. So I just have to tell one really quick story. I used to live on a duck farm ages and ages ago. I left the duck farm, but honestly, if I thought that I could have turned the duck farm into a caviar farm, I would have so stayed. Thank you for coming. Thank you for teaching us about the caviar. I hope you guys enjoyed it and will give it all a try, especially the Big Fish Farms paddlefish. It is to die for. Thanks, Renee.
Thank you.